welcome back. Today we are going to see four job opportunities for functional and technical consultant who are 2 years and above. Okay, so it does depends though all these four job opportunities we are going to discuss. So before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now and join my community so that you will get updates immediately. Okay, so this video. The opportunities video will be first available for the community members, and then after 2 or 3 days it will be available for everyone like subscribers. Okay, it depends like again it may available after 2 or 3 days or after 1 week. So it is good. So for immediate update and immediate notifications, so join the channel. Okay, so here this is the first opportunity. This they have just now posted. Okay, so this is Saturday. I'm updating this on Saturday, that is 15th June. So here you can see it's Dynamics 365 Sales Business Central Technical and Functional Consultant, and they are looking for 5 to 9 years of experience. And you can see this is hybrid. Okay, so work from home as well as you can work from office. Both you have to do that, and it's the location is in Gurugram. Opening is for four, and already I think less than 10 has already applied. So this is the job description. Please read the job description completely and the key responsibilities as well. This is very very important. And once you have read this, please check. You see, you might have all these skills in your all these skills, but you might not have updated that in your resume. So please go and cross check your resume. If you want to review your resume and send it to you, so please you can schedule a personal guidance call with me. The link is in the description, you can find it here. So here they are asking for the certifications. It is preferred. Okay, so Dynamics 365 Power Platform Solution Architect Expert, Business Central Functional Consultant Associate. So even if you want to do this and if you require any personal assistance, you can connect with me. Okay, so this is the role: technical consultant, IT servicing and consulting part-time. It's a temporary and contractual. And IT consulting, it's a role and category. So here you can see UG and PG. Okay, so this is what highlighted. You should know MS Dynamics and Business Central and Power Platform. So what I'll be doing, I'll pin this link in the comment section. You can go and watch that. Okay, so if you are preparing for your interview questions and if you require any additional ebooks, you can buy this. The link is in the description, you can find it there. Okay, so you can get it for interview questions and answer for business central developer, and this is for functional. So you have everything, you can check this here. This is my ebook store. Let us go to the next job opportunity: business architect. It's an Accenture. They have posted 1 day ago, and it's 7 to 11 years of experience they are expecting. Okay, and yes, this is the complete project role. And what are the qualification they're expecting, what are the key responsibilities they are looking for, and it's a full time and permanent job. And you can find the location here. It's in Bangalore. Okay, so you can check this if you want to apply or attend this interview, this one. Okay, and you can also see that this is another opportunity which I want to show this. Okay, it's still loading. So meanwhile, I'll also show the functional consultant. Okay, so this is for Business Central Solution Functional Consultant. They have posted 3 days ago. It's for 3 to 8 years experience, and this is the company name. And they have 4.4 review. And this is a hybrid model. And what are the key skills they are requesting, and what you should have, and everything. Okay, wait till the end. I'll be telling you how you can prepare your resume better. So yes, this is the next one, which is MS Project Online Technical Consultant. This is 8 to 13 years experience, and here it's in Noida and Chandigarh. So here you can see what are the key responsibilities. Okay, even if you satisfy any four or three responsibility, just try. Okay, you can apply and try, like whether how far it might be. Inherently you may answer some questions, so don't worry about it. You don't hesitate to apply. If you don't have even one skills with you, okay, just apply and see. And finally, it's a application support engineer. You can see here, this is like 2 to 4 years of experience, and they have just posted one day ago. And here you can see this is a full time permanent. This is from Accenture. Okay, and you can find the complete information here. So I'll be updating about these job opportunities in my blog. Okay, this is Learn with Gomes. So all the useful links, you can find it in the description, and you can follow me. So just to click here, click this to follow. The link to follow my blog is also in the description, so that you will get the updated notification. So here you can find a lot of useful thing, like exercises for business central developers and functional consultant, quizzes, ebooks for business central, video playlist, boot camps. I have already conducted boot camps, so everything you can find it here, and I'll be updating the quizzes as well, so you can find everything here. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. I'll meet you soon with another opportunity video. Probably I'm planning for two videos related to opportunities every week. So if you have any other concern, or any other thing which I want to do it like daily, if you want me to post or something, please comment it. Okay, thank you, take care, and bye bye. I'll meet you soon in the next exciting video.